turning some dirt. So we're going to do that today, but we're going to do it in a really big way with a big backhoe, as you can see. With us today on the backhoe in a superhero cape is Evan Hampel. Evan Hampel represents all the patients and families that receive care at the Golisano Children's Hospital. He is a 4-year-old patient of our oncology program at the Golisano Children's Hospital. He was diagnosed with bone cancer in his right arm and has been receiving chemotherapy for the past 4 months. Last month, he had the tumor removed by the surgeons at the Golisano Children's Hospital. So he is our superhero, and he is helping us turn the dirt. After we do this, please join us back around the other side for some refreshments and cold drinks. So, on the count of 3, I'm going to ask you to say 3 quotes. Move that dirt. Are y'all ready? All right. 1, 2, 3. Move that dirt!
Say it on the count of 3 or 3 times.
Stop.
Kathy, yeah, you might want to move. I think they're about to give Kathy a ride.
Oh, look at that. Hey, look at that.
And as you see, no on the steering wheel. He's there.
I figured I could sneak in front of you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today and for participating in this incredible, monumental event. Please join us.